Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare ATX mid-tower versus full tower cases. We'll explore the key differences in size, expandability, and cooling capabilities. This comparison will help you understand which case type best suits your PC building needs, whether you're planning a standard setup or an extreme custom build. Let's dive into the specifics of each option to guide your decision-making process. Mid-tower cases are a popular choice for many PC builders due to their practical advantages. They are typically easier to manage and fit into various environments, from home offices to gaming setups. While offering ample space for essential components like a full-sized graphics card and several storage drives, they maintain a smaller footprint. This makes them an excellent option for those seeking a balance of performance and size. For enthusiasts and professionals, full tower cases present significant benefits. Their generous interior volume accommodates the largest components, including extended ATX motherboards and numerous hard drives. This extra space also facilitates better cable management and allows for more elaborate cooling solutions, such as multiple large radiators. If you plan on an uncompromising build with maximum performance and expandability, a full tower is often the best choice. Choosing between a mid-tower and a full tower ultimately depends on your specific requirements. Think about the components you plan to install, how much room you have, and your long-term upgrade plans. A mid-tower is perfect for most users, offering great value and performance. However, if you envision a high-end system with extensive cooling and numerous drives, a full tower will provide the necessary flexibility and space.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.